Hi, my name is Olwen. I have completed my apprenticeship with allied healthcare in health and social care. I am so honoured to have won the award for Apprentice of the Year. The reason why I wanted to do the apprenticeship was because I wanted to learn more in health and social care. We get training and everything, but there's so much more by doing the apprenticeship. You go into deeper categories of healthcare. So obviously, to do my job, I wanted to be the best at it, and doing an apprenticeship seemed that's the way to go. I work for allied healthcare, and throughout the apprenticeship, the support I had from the branch manager and all the office staff, if I had any issues, needed to change my shift pattern, they were there and they helped. They helped me emotionally. Any questions I needed to know about certain areas, I knew they had knowledge of it, and they would help and give me time, bring me into the office, let me talk through certain things, and give me, their experiences on things as well. The team at the college, the tutor, and also the other students, they were amazing with me. There was a lot of mature students there with me, and we were all seeming to have the same issues. My tutor had so much patience. She learnt the way I learned things and changed the way she was approaching it to me, and I could not have got through my essential skills without my tutor, and definitely the backing of the other students. And it was really nice because we became a very large family in meeting up every week. I was completely out of my comfort zone with mathematics and the English and the dyslexia, which I knew I had a slight learning disability. Just something that a lot slower reading, my spelling wasn't quite right, things like that. And the support I got from the apprenticeship was fantastic. They got me assessed and found that I needed a filter to put over paperwork as things moved, and I didn't realise they were moving. I was just having difficulty reading them, and it worked, and I'm able to read quickly now. So overcoming my learning disability through the apprenticeship is absolutely wonderful. It's very scary. It's really daunting to come back into education. And we do find that a lot of people that do health and social care are using it as there's nothing else, basically. But now, because of Social Care Wales making you have to register and things like this, you have to have knowledge, which is wonderful for social care. It makes them, professional for once now. Mistakes won't happen because everyone will know the regulations, the policies and things like that. But it's very daunting to go back into education. So, the help you get from this apprenticeship is absolutely 100% perfect. I would definitely recommend an apprenticeship to further your knowledge in health and social care or any other category. Only can help you grow in your job.